So, Caucus is a society that primarily focuses on creating an environment that is accommodative of all kinds of opinions, and we encourage our members to speak freely without a fear of censure. And in the same spirit, we organize certain events such as the International Hindu Model United Nations that saw over 250 participants this year, and we also organize other events that take place all around the year, such as roundtable discussions and group discussions. And we also run a blog where all our members are free to write on whatever subject that they choose to. Now, had someone asked me to do this video in July 2018, I wouldn't have much to say, and the public opinion on Caucus wasn't that great either. But it has been since then that we have been on an upward curve, and we have been growing and growing and growing, and I don't think that that would have been possible without our seniors. So kudos to you guys, and here's a little something for everything that you've done for us. And we leave you with the promise that the Caucus Renaissance will continue.
I never thought that it would be so difficult to talk about Dhruv. I mean, 30 seconds के लिए ध्रुव के बारे में बात करना इतना difficult तो नहीं होना चाहिए. But be it as it may, it is very difficult to bid you and all the rest of you a farewell. Yes, through thick and thin, through laughs and tears, we have come a long way. All of us have come a long way. From those at Caucus who could and from those at Caucus who couldn't. Thank you and all the very best.
Describing your vice president becomes more particularly daunting when she actively contributes to pushing her juniors towards their best by contributing to GDs, by pushing them to their best selves during the MUNs, and by leaving no stone unturned to help us reach our better ends. Bidding you a farewell is a very difficult task, Simon, but here we are confronting the reality.
You are really a very, very nice person, and thank you for grounding us when it was required, and thank you for being there for us. May it be the times in IHMU and you served as the Director General, and it was lovely being your deputy, and we will obviously miss you in the upcoming times.
It was in my second year that I came across this person who made me realize through his demeanor and way of talking that yes, Caucus is the place where I want to be. Rajesh Bhaiya, you've always been a support and a guiding light for us through all this time. Thank you for all that you've done for us and for Caucus.
For me, Skull represented what living life to its fullest actually means. Waking up in the morning with no complaint, knowing that you always deserve to laugh, doing what you want no matter how weird or stupid you look. It's also about being yourself no matter what other things. Your love for traveling is unprecedented, and I hope that you continue to do so in the future as well. Thank you for being an integral part of Caucus.
Caucus has been so special, and it is because of what you made, all the efforts that you had to. We'll miss you a lot. It is said that there are many painful words missing. The most painful is so simple. It's goodbye.
The journey with Caucus has been amazing. I got to learn a lot of things from the society.
The task of describing the Caucus is painstaking. Dhruv is equal to innocence. Simranji is always beautiful with her style. Anshika Lee's childishness and Skant's studness makes Caucus extravagant, electrifying and ecstatic.
So all of you will be missed by everyone here, and I wish you all the very best for all your future endeavors.
May God bless you and you achieve all that you desire, and our wishes are always with you.
All that I would like to wish you is good luck and a great future. Thank you.
It's just that you are gonna leave us, but we ain't leaving you anytime soon. Bye-bye.